Alright, so let's jump right into getting our footage. So there are different sites where you can get your footage. That's your stock footage, both the paid ones and the free ones, and you can have access to them and download videos. One of the most important things that you must do or add to your video are stock footages. Okay, stock footages, they are just pictures or videos that makes your video come alive. Okay, makes your video come alive, so you don't just use your headshot alone. All right, so one of the sites that you can use is the Storyblok site, and they have high quality videos and pictures, even music and sound effects that you can use. Okay, so just go to your browser in your phone and type Storybloks. Now the icon is S yellow color, don't forget. This particular site gives you access to videos, gives you access to audio and sound effects, images and illustrations. Okay, so it's actually a paid site, because for you to download any of those videos or any picture or any audio, you'd have to pay. So I already have an account with them, so I am already logged in. I'm already logged into the account. If not, you see where there is pricing, you see sign in or log in or set up account, either of them. So you click there and set up your account with them. Then you come to the search video library here, and you type in anything at all you want to search, any video at all you want. So let's say I want to make a YouTube video on video editing, and I just need a stock footage to add to my video. I don't want to show my face all through. I don't want to show my face. Maybe I want to do a faceless video. So I can just come here and type video editing, and they'll bring out different videos that relates to video editing. I get to choose the one I want. Okay, I get to choose the one I want. So here are a list of them. I know exactly what I want to create, so it's going to guide what I'm downloading, what I select. All right, so here are a couple of samples we have, and I think I like this one, Asian women in headphone editing. So I'll just kindly click on it, and then I would have to download. So there is a download section right here where you have to subscribe to download. Now look at the qualities available as well. I noticed many times that there are some qualities I would download, they wouldn't play in my phone because the quality is too high for my phone. So I always go for the quality that is compatible with my phone. All of them will still give you very clear pictures, because the videos here, the pictures here, the sounds here are high quality stock footages that you can use. So either of them can work, but find the one that is compatible with your phone. Try to download several grades, several qualities, and not the one that plays. The one that do not play, the quality doesn't work in your phone, so you always go for the one that plays. So for me, my phone accepts HD. Okay, some 4Ks do not play at all. Some 4K do not play, it just comes blank. So go for the one that is compatible with your phone. All right, so you just get to click your download and download. Another way you could do that is just to click download from here. You just click download from here. That's on top of the video. You see where the download options are, just right here by the side. Why is this going to where I don't want it to go to? So there's just a download icon on top of the videos, so you can always click there to download. Okay, see the download preview, so you can easily download the preview here and get to use it downloaded. So this one is downloaded without me having to pay. All right, so voila, our video is there in my phone, and I can use it to add to my my video. But the problem with this now, if you can see clearly, there is a background Storyblok written on it, and that means it comes with a watermark because I didn't pay for it. Okay, so this is actually a paid site that if you want to have access to the videos, you have to register. You'd have to subscribe to their any subscription, and they have the different subscriptions here, okay, that you can pay for. But then we also have another free, and the reason why you have to pay is so that the background watermark will not be there in your videos. If not, the background watermarks will be there. Okay, so but then there is a free site that I use more often, and that is Pexels. So just type in Pexels on your browser. Okay, Pexels also give you stock photos and videos that are free, okay? And you also have copyright free pictures and videos. They are free, so no one is going to have any copyright claim on your videos or on your pictures. They are totally free, and they do not come with any watermark, okay? They are totally free. So you just come here, the video section or the photo section, depending on what you want. We have the video section here. You come to the video section and type in video editing. Let me just keep using video editing as an example, but it can be anything at all. It can be anything depending on the video you're creating. So I just type in video editing and I have different footage here. All right, so I think I like the one with the guy. Okay, no, that shows more of camera than video editing. Okay, so here is this particular footage. So I can just preview any of them. I can just watch any of them and decide which one I want to take. And if I like this one, I will just go to free download. Always remember to look for the quality, the quality you want to download. I'll just go with my full HD. Full HD always downloads on my phone. So I'll just click full HD and then download selected size. Some of them want you to give credit to them and all whatnot. You can go ahead to do that, okay? Most times I just keep that. So we have our video in my 1, 2, 3, 4. Good, it's here. Okay, so we can easily play it and see if it's what we want. This is actually for video production. It doesn't really give me that for video editing. So you can actually preview it here before you even download it. You can preview it here on Pixel before you download it, but you just get to choose. Okay, see this other one that deals more with editing. So you can always choose, preview it, and then select the one you want. And they are free, okay? They are free. So I can't be running my videos. And then include this as part of my videos. Okay, now see the problem. That's just what I mentioned. See, the video is not playing, and the reason the video is not playing is because I did not choose the quality that I wanted. Guys, can you see it? Okay, it's finally playing. So I guess the quality is within the pixel of, is within the quality that my phone accepts, because I've had several times where I forget to choose quality. Let me check the quality of this, the highest quality of this video. Let's see. Okay, the highest quality is full HD. So full HD plays is actually the one that downloaded, but some of them will have like 4K quality, and quality is higher than that. So it's very difficult to play your phone if you download that. So you always have to come and choose. In the former phone I was using before I changed to this one, I couldn't download full HD. I couldn't even download HD. It's only SD that downloaded. Okay, so it all depends on the quality of your phone. An iPhone, I believe, can download every quality. So choose a quality that is compatible with your phone and you tend to download it. Then you can use this, import it to your CapCut or to your editing app, and then edit your video with it. Okay, so I'm going to then show us how to import this footage. Let's say you've downloaded enough footage, you don't just need one, you can pick as many as you want depending on what you're talking about. Okay, I could also choose to download this one, I could also choose to download this, whichever one I like, whichever one I think relates to what I'm talking about, I can choose. I can even be more specific and say exactly the kind of video editing videos I want, or even go ahead to download video editing pictures, okay, that I can always include in my videos. So this makes it easy for me not to always show my head all the time in the video, but put some life, change the scene, okay, and give some life to the video. So that works. And this is a site you can always use to have anything. You can always use to get any stock footage at all you want, whether you want pictures or videos. Okay, this is a site where you get any of this free of charge at no cost whatsoever, and you can use it in your videos and they will not place any copyright claim. For those of us that do YouTube, that are on different social media platforms, you can use this and then they won't place any copyright claim on your video because they are free, okay, and they're already paid for. So that's that. Then another site you can use to get free pictures, Unsplash. Okay, these two sites work for me all the time, Pixel and Unsplash. Very free sites, and the pictures and the videos there are also of high quality. All right, so see, this picture is a picture and I can choose the quality I want, small, medium, large, and then I get to download it. So I just have to click download, and that's it. You can even save it or put it out there in your home page to always have access to it at ease. Okay, so these are pictures depending on what you want. There is this search button that you can always go to search anything you want. Let me keep using video editing. Maybe I should try another search words. Okay, so this is video editing videos. I don't know, there's a video I downloaded this one. I've used this picture before. You have several other samples, guys, several other samples that you can always have access to. So write it down and save it somewhere. Okay, write it and save it somewhere. Unsplash for your free pictures as your stock footage to edit any video you want to edit, and also Pixel for both pictures and videos, and they are free. Then when you want to use the paid version, you can go to the Storyblock. Okay, Storyblocks, they actually have very good quality. Most YouTubers, okay, I mean YouTubers, good YouTubers, and those that have the money for it, always go for it, because you have more options there. There are millions of stock footage available there at high quality. Okay, so here there's a little bit of limitation because there are some things you search for in this particular site that you don't have, but as a starter you should start with this. Okay, you should start with any of the sites, and it gives you access to anything you want. At least you will definitely find something to use. Okay, then as you progress, you can start trying out Storyblocks and the rest. Okay, so these two are very, very important, and you should save it and always use it anytime. I mean, if you want to create any kind of video, especially videos you don't want to use your face, or videos that your face is there but you're not expected to use your face all through, you want to put live to the video, then you can always come here to download any footage at all you want to download. Okay, so you come to the search button, search for it, and then they bring out options for you to use. I hope that's very clear, guys. Do you understand? Any questions? Do you understand everything about how to get your stock footage? Any more questions? Did you get the name of the site? I mean, you can see my screen, I believe. Yeah, you all can see my screen, so you can see the spelling Unsplash and Pixel. Are there questions? Do you understand everything perfectly well? If you understand, I want to hear you say something on the comment section. I want you to say I understand, or I don't have any question, or I'm good, or it was clear. Just say something in the comment section. I want to see some energy on the comment section. All right, so here is another sample I'm checking out here. Cakes. I want to create a video or commercial ads. I have a site here where I can always come to get my different beautiful samples of cake that I can always impute. Whether I want it in pictures, I can find it in Unsplash. If I want it in video, I can go to Pixel. Right, guys, so I believe that is very, very clear. If you understand, I want you to comment on the okay. I love the energy, guys. Keep it coming, say I understand clearly. All right, beautiful.